so we're heading out with No Go Garage again, and it's snowing in the Fox Body, so this should be good. So we're in the Fox Body in the lovely winter weather with No Go Garage. What are you shaking your head for?
Mistakes.
Oh boy. Yeah, it's wonderful weather for a Fox Body drive.
Keep it on.
Keep it on? Okay.
Why did that grip? What the hell?
It gripped?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
That was weird. I was expecting to just spin and do a nice little rolling burnout, but
Guess not.
that was weird. I was not expecting that.
Maybe that portion of the road was dry for some reason, and when it shouldn't.
It wasn't.
That's weird. I guess the drag radials were like, yep, we're going to work today. And you're not going to do it until we hook.
That was weird.
Yeah.
I just like turbos and V8s, and I'm driving and having fun with it. I don't give a fuck. It's like, that's why it's covered with salt right now. Rest in peace, me.
The Fox looks good in the snow. Look at the snow tracks, they're freaking wide as hell. So Brady's over here getting some glamour shots of the Fox Body. Yeah, trying to while we freeze our behinds off. Just my face. Everything else is fine with my face. So Brady's got a brilliant idea to use this to get glamour shots of the Fox, so this should be interesting. Alright guys, so we're waiting for the piss camera to charge.
Give me the head cam.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, okay.
It's been on.
Nothing with this thing on.
There's probably a big thing on my forehead now. Yeah, there's a hole in his head.
Yeah, that hurts.
Yeah, I still gotta play around with the mount and get that figured out.
I'm thinking for slider shots down low, I'm going to go to my grandparents' house to borrow one of their sleds, and you're going to push me in it from behind, and I'm going to get them like that, so it's even.
This should be good.
No Go Garage, people.
Let's see about that tailgate issue here. So here's what Brady was talking about earlier. How the tailgate's a little broken.
Ratchet strap on there, it'd be alright.
Pretty much. Doing it the no-go garage way. No-go garage fix. Nice. Get that turbo a little bit too. Getting into Cummins now. You want to show them me try to get in this thing? I know how you love doing those clips.
Big John getting in the lifted diesel. This ought to be good. Heave! Oh, he made it.
Yeah,
Humpty Dumpty sat in the truck.
Yeah, guess what? Now I'm down to one pair of jeans.
You rip them?
Yep.
Oh God, show it! Show it!
No!
Show it! He ripped his jeans! Yeah! That's awesome.
Now we gotta stop at my house.
Show it. Show it. How bad is it?
Bad.
I can't feel my feet.
Yeah, well, now we gotta make a pit stop at my house. You know, I'm just gonna laugh about it. I'm not even gonna be mad. Just might as well laugh about it. Because I only got 2 pairs of jeans, that's why. Now I'm down to 1.
Who are you gonna be mad at? Me?
Myself?
I was gonna say.
Myself? Like, what? Well, how can I even be mad at myself? It ain't even really. I don't know.
That's funny. Driving the man truck now.
Also, we have another vlog that we did in the diesel. Well, I guess this can be my first time starting a diesel, I guess.
Yeah, it feels good. See about that. Sled.
Yep.
If the truck starts moving backwards.
Try to get over there and hit the brake pedal.
Yeah.
Clearly.
That wasn't very nice.
Yeah.
Here comes John with his sweatpants on, so he doesn't rip another pair of jeans getting in the T-Ruck.
What is this, take 2?
Yeah, we're gonna try again. See if we hear a rip this time.
Shouldn't, they're fucking sweatpants. That worked.
Good job. Still funny.
Yeah, it's still funny. Fucked up at the same time, but.
Okay, try not to get this caught up in all that jazz down there. Keep it on the muffler side of the bike. Sit down.
Near the front, I'm guessing.
Yeah, that would make sense.
Alright. Ooh.
And like that, hold the knot.
Like this?
Oh, you're gonna have to hold tighter than that because I'm pulling you. Hold the knot. Like. And like that, hold knot. If it starts to come undone, let go and then it won't rip your hand off.
Oh, that's wonderful. Oh, shit. This ain't gonna work. Whoa. Okay, Brady. Oh, shit. Whoa! Well, why did you stop when you saw I let go of it? That was not a good idea. That was definitely not a good idea. Yeah. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know how well you can see, but there's Mr. No Go Garage over there. Definitely go subscribe to him. And we'll see you guys next video.